Launching the first of its kind in the world, Lazychef's robotic cooking and vending machine for Indian dishes. The Lazychef robotic cooking and vending machine is a microprocessor based IoT device working on Arduino and Raspberry Pi. It comprises of a deep freezer, a refrigerator, and cooking apparatus, including microwaves and induction cooktops, which are all run by robotic arms. These robotic arms inside the machine, with the help of various motors and pumps, retrieve, cook, and subsequently vend delicious Indian food with authentic 5-star recipes. Please observe a real demonstration of how simple it is to use the ordering app on the touchscreen of the vending machine and wait for the order to be processed by the robot inside. This specific screen also shows how the machine reads the recipes from the system's database and are meticulously executed step by step with predefined time, temperature, weights, and volumes for a consistent taste all around. And voila! The food is dispensed at the sanitized collection point. Payment too is super simple because it's QR code based. Just look at our happy customers enjoying a contactless, purely robotic cooking and vending experience for these amazing Indian dishes. The back end of the machine is supported by an admin panel for future franchisees with a sales, inventory and CRM ERP system. The Lazychef RCVM can be easily installed using a simple power plug point at malls, airports, office complexes, railway stations, and even apartment complexes. Lazychef's robotic cooking and vending machine is a truly futuristic solution, which we have made available today and now to solve the problem of contactless cooking and vending and reinstating the trust in the masses to order food in these unsafe times of the COVID-19 pandemic. We hope for your support in helping us further this novel idea. For any further queries, please contact our founder and promoter Harshvardhan Jaiswal on the number shown on the screen.